Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will talk about search function in DAX. Okay, so it is a very important function. So let's see about it. So here you can see this is our orders table. Okay, this is our orders table. Here you can see. So here there are customer names also. Okay, customer names. So here is customer names. Okay, so I want all the customer names which has Z in their name. Okay, which has Z in their name. So how we can filter out that? Let's see. So here you can see I have created a DAX for it, that is customer with Z. Okay, this is creating a table, new table. This is creating a table. Okay, so what is happening? I have taken filter, then orders table will be filtered out, then search. Okay, then search option, search function, then which word I have to search, Z. And it is like it can be, if I like capital Z or small z, it will not work like that. It will only bring Z no matter it is capital or small. Okay, so it will only search for Z no matter capital or small. Then which column? Orders customer name column, then comma 3. Why 3? Let's see about it. And this 3 means it will start searching from third option, from the third. Okay, so and then blank. Okay, so if I go to the new created table, then you can see all the customer names having Z in their names. Okay, here you can see Roy something, his name I cannot pronounce, then Jim Kutins, all the Z are there. Okay, but these three will search from the third option, from the third position. Okay, if I write like 2, it will search count, it will searching from the second position. Okay, like this. And if we leave it like blank, then it will also work, and it will work as a whole. Okay, from anywhere it is Z, it will bring out that. Here you can see 3795 rows it is getting. All these rows customer name has Z in their name. Okay, and blank is what? Blank is if nothing is like no other option is there, then it is blank. It will show blank as a default option. Okay, so this is how it works. So we can filter it out like this. So I think this video was helpful for you. If you like my videos, please like it, share it among your friends, subscribe to my channel if you like my channel, like my work. Thank you guys. Thank you.